here's what was ordered, and here's what club members got. This month's new cork design is called Southwest Treasures. Think mountains, think snakes, horseback riding, gemstones, all of the iconic treasures of the Southwest region. If you're looking to make a Western chic bag, this print is for you. It's a great print to use on travel bags as well as everyday bags, and it pairs with so many solid colors of cork. We chose to pair it with our turquoise cork since turquoise is a common gemstone found in the Southwest. And if you didn't know, all of our cork prints are limited edition. So we only print one run of the design and then we will not be restocking it. So if you're a member of our Cork of the Month Club, you get first dibs on these gorgeous exclusive prints to Sally Tomato. We also send this exclusive yardage to local quilt shops, so be sure to check with your local fabric store to see if they're stocking the Southwest Treasures. We can't wait to see what you make with this incredible print.